snowed last night. We got the DOT out here plowing. Up here at Dysart's again today with my dad. Say hi, Dad. Maine Logistical Solutions. What would they be hauling in that, Dad, with the tarp cover on the top of that?
Wood chips.
Is that wood chip maybe? Cool, purple and black. Awesome rig.
Where are they from?
Coming in from Greenville.
Deer bouncer on the front.
They'd probably take a moose and just shove it. Northern Tier Transport from Weir, New Hampshire. Awesome Kenworth. Skidder. Yeah, we got skidder and a frame for one. You like the red one. Look at all the lights on this. Gorham Transport, Nova Scotia. H.C. Haynes Incorporated from Wynn, Maine. Can't lose when you're from Wynn. It has the deer bouncer on it as well. Love seeing those deer bouncers.